Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to enable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. For this, first of all, open Messenger. After that, scroll down and search for any contact. Select one of them. Then, scroll up and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. After that, go below. Now, there is an option to go to Secret Conversation. This conversation is newly launched by Meta, and now you can send and receive any messages, and no one will be able to see these messages, not even Facebook. These messages are end-to-end encrypted. And now, right here, Facebook is saying that messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. That's how to enable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.